Hello again, it's Catherine White, First Aid. Welcome to another Trainer Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about another item from your first aid kit. So we're going to talk about plasters, probably the item that we use the most from our first aid kit, isn't it? So let's just think about what choice we've got out there. So perhaps we would choose a fabric plaster, or maybe a waterproof plaster. We might choose a branded plaster or one from the supermarket. But does it matter which we choose? Well, a fabric one is really good all-rounder. Waterproof, obviously, if you need to keep the cut dry. Low allergy if you're thinking about those with allergy to the sticky on the plaster. And blue plasters for catering. And overall, we need to think about what we're putting in our first aid kit, that it's individually wrapped, that the wrapper is intact, and of course that the plasters are in date. And before you put a plaster on a casualty or offer a plaster to a casualty, always ask, are they allergic? So hope that helps. See you next time.